Huh?
I'm going to put the final piece in of this puzzle I just made myself.
And who helped you?
Nobody.
You did it all by yourself?
Mm-hmm.
Let's take a look at it. Oh, wow. Where's the final piece go?
Right there. Want me to put it in now?
Yeah.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah. Look. Oh, my goodness.
I'm going to make a hall of puzzles.
Did you see what Lacey did, Bub?
Yeah.
What do you think of that?
Hey, let's let my brother put the final piece in me.
What do you think of that, Bubby?
Let's watch Sissy put the... Oh, it fell apart a little. I'll put it back together now.
What do you think, Bub?
It's good.
Pretty good, huh?
Watch, it's going to go in the chair.
Your sissy sure is smart.
Watch. I'll just do this like so. I can put this like this.
Look, Bubby. Look at your sissy, Bubby.
This one goes here.
Look, she's putting the whole thing back together again. Don't chew on that, Bub, or I'll have to knock you out. Bubby!
Grandpa, no knocking out while I put in the final piece touches.
Okay. Bub!
Grandpa, let's play some games.
No games for you. Are you about done?
I can't get this to fit there. I'm sure it fits. There.
Did you get it?
Yeah, this one goes there.
Bubba Louie!
Hayden, come watch me put the final piece in. Okay.
What's your sister diaper, boy? Look, the final piece.
Wait. Whoa! I'm gonna since my brother hasn't got to do one bit today, I'm gonna let my brother put the piece in.
Wow.
Right there. That way, like this, like that. Wait, go like. Oh, it doesn't. Go like
You
that.
see that, Grandma?
Okay, Bubba, go like that. Now put it
She's
down.
letting her brother put the final piece in.
I did it!
Did it.
Grandma, can I make another puzzle? Sure. But
Good
Grandma,
job, guys.